Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the most powerful machines in the world. Today's video is about one of the most mysterious and advanced fighter jets ever discussed, the Mikoyan MiG-41. Designed as the potential successor to the legendary MiG-31, this futuristic aircraft is expected to push the limits of speed, altitude, and next-generation combat technology. Let's explore what makes the MiG-41 one of the most talked about military aviation projects of the future. The MiG-41 is believed to be part of Russia's PAK-DP program, which aims to develop a sixth-generation interceptor capable of defending vast airspaces. The aircraft is intended to replace the aging but powerful MiG-31, which has been in service since the Soviet era. Unlike traditional fighter jets, the MiG-41 is expected to focus heavily on high-speed interception missions. This means it would be designed to rapidly reach extreme altitudes and intercept hypersonic threats, stealth aircraft, or even objects approaching from near space. One of the most exciting rumors about the MiG-41 is its expected speed. Military analysts suggest the aircraft could reach speeds close to Mach 4, which would make it one of the fastest fighter aircraft ever built. For comparison, the MiG-31 can reach around Mach 2.8, already making it one of the fastest operational jets today. The MiG-41 is also expected to operate at extremely high altitudes, possibly near the edge of space. This would allow it to intercept high-speed targets such as hypersonic missiles or reconnaissance aircraft long before they reach their destination. Another key feature expected in the MiG-41 is stealth capability. Unlike its predecessor, which focused mainly on speed and radar power, the MiG-41 may include radar-evading design elements to reduce its visibility to enemy detection systems. The aircraft could also feature artificial intelligence assistance, advanced sensors, and possibly even directed energy weapons such as laser systems. These technologies would allow the aircraft to track and engage multiple targets at long distances with incredible accuracy. The MiG-41 is rumored to carry new hypersonic missiles capable of striking targets thousands of kilometers away. These weapons could be designed to intercept enemy aircraft, satellites, or even incoming missiles. Some reports also suggest the aircraft might have the ability to launch anti-satellite weapons, making it a key asset in future space-related defense strategies. If these capabilities become reality, the MiG-41 would redefine what an interceptor aircraft can do. Although the MiG-41 remains mostly a concept, Russia has indicated that development efforts are underway. If the project moves forward successfully, the aircraft could enter service sometime in the 2030s. The MiG-41 represents a bold vision for the future of aerial defense, combining extreme speed, advanced weapons, and next-generation technology into a single powerful interceptor platform. The MiG-41 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious military aircraft concepts ever proposed. As the possible successor to the legendary MiG-31, it promises faster speeds, higher altitudes, and cutting-edge technology designed for the battles of the future. While many details remain secret, one thing is certain: if the MiG-41 becomes reality, it could redefine the limits of modern air combat and aerospace engineering. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more videos exploring the world's most powerful machines and groundbreaking technology.